guys, welcome back to Shoji Productions. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. I'm back again with another video called Testing Viral TikTok Hacks. I can't even remember this. बहुत लंबा नाम है. So इसमें मैंने 3 hacks ढूंढे हैं. बहुत easy because मैं बहुत lazy हूँ. So मैंने इसमें 3 hacks ढूंढे हैं. लेट्स सी वो काम करते हैं कि नहीं. मैं एक्साइटेड भी और नर्वस भी हूँ. एक्साइटेड मैं इसलिए हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू सी वो काम करते हैं. इफ़ येस आई एम गोना ट्राई देम फॉर माई फन. और नर्वस मैं इसलिए अगर नहीं किए तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा. बिकॉज मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा आशा से ट्राई किया है. I don't know how to frame a sentence with Asha, but it's fine. So let's begin with the first hack. Our first hack is that turning our quarter socks into no show socks. So let's see. Hopefully I can give a try to this one. Let's see how it turns. Let me bring us socks. I'll be right back. So after doing around 100,000 tries, I have learned how to do that hack. So let's start. This is how you do it. First of all, you're gonna take it halfway out, and then this one you're just gonna put it on your feet. And then done. You're all done. Okay. I guess it's a good one. You can try this if you have no show socks because like it is comfortable. You can walk with this. It's comfortable. For me, it's a pass. The next one. Okay, so our second hack is this one that you're putting so let's try. I don't think so this will work, but let's still try. So come on. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, so the worst thing about this is that the person who is sitting in front of you can know that you're putting something on her head. So after that, जो आपके साथ, it's your responsibility. But ऐसे बहुत ही हैवी लगता है और उसको पता चला कि आप ये हरकतें कर रहे हैं. बी रेडी. जो भी उसके वो आपके साथ करेगी. Or else you can do with your siblings or someone, but not outsiders. So the second hack for me was like kind of fail because I don't recommend this to you if you're doing this with any outsider, because if she knows that you're doing this, then whatever is gonna happen with you is not my responsibility. It's something very bad. She'll beat you up. I'm not responsible for that, or the person who did this prank is not responsible. So yeah, but you can do this with your relatives or like the friendly relatives, okay? And you can even do this hack on your best friends or siblings. So yeah, first one is a pass, second one is a fail, and then now let's see the third one. Third one is like I'm scared for doing that and even excited because it looks so kind of good and exciting. Let's see, hopefully it works. So here's the third one. So it just Hopefully this passes, because I want this badly to pass so that I can play like this hacks in my free time. So let's start. Okay, so I tried that hack like for 1 or 2 times and it turned out to be a fail, and then I realized that I was doing with a toothpick and they were doing with a knife, and like the hole was big, so I guess must be that. But I did not try with the big like in this, because it was like this much. But let's try to do with scissors. Hopefully it happens. I haven't given a try with scissors, but I guess it may happen. I'm scared. Like, damn. Okay, so I did this. Hopefully you can see this. Oh god, I'm getting scared. Hopefully it does not explode on me, bro. Oh, this is not happening. Please do the scissors part under any adult supervision. Oh, please happen, bro. Oh, okay, it just got exploded. The water is all around the room. I'm dead, guys. Shit. I have to stop and clean. So I'm here done cleaning. I'm so stressed right now because Mama doesn't know till now, and I cleaned it up. Now she will know after watching this video. Ma, if you're watching this video, I'm really sorry, but I cleaned the area. You can come and see. So yeah, I'm not gonna tell because I am not interested in dying, bro. She first of all shout at me even if I clean. I'm scared. I'm not telling. After she see the video, she'll know. So it's fine. And I'm sorry, Ma, but I cleaned it. You must be happy. Your this lazy daughter cleaned. At least so. Yeah. It doesn't even look like a full cup of water fell down over there. Like around, it was 1 cup. I got a mini heart attack when I saw that happening. Like in my mind it was like Chand se na chote ko sapna. I was literally doomed at that time. I was dead. I was like shit. And I just literally quickly off the camera. You could see the nervousness. I just quickly off the camera and then I just cleaned it hurriedly that hopefully Mama doesn't know. And I am success at this. Like it's clean. I am still scared. I don't know why, but I am not gonna try. I got a thought that okay, let me try again. And then after I remember that it's me who is cleaning, then I was like, it's fine, no problem. You can learn from this. You can search and then learn from this, and just teach me also how to do this, because I don't know. Like I tried with the scissors, it's not happening. I tried with this toothpick, it did not happen. I don't know what to do. So it's fine. If you know how to do this trick, please let me know. And yeah, these were the 3 hacks which I tried. So I guess the last one was my fault. It must be with the tape or balloon, or it must be with the object I'm doing. So I guess it's something with me, because I saw everyone's and it was so perfect. So I guess it just mine something. So if you know how to do this one, please tell me, okay? Please share with me, because this curiosity that how it happens will kill me. So if you know, just tell me. And yeah, till then, bye bye, take care, and do like, share and comment which video you need next. And do subscribe. Till then, bye bye.